This is problem number 24 from the June 2017 Algebra Regents exam. So we've got Morgan throwing a ball up in the air, and we've got a function that compares the height of the ball over time. So obviously we could picture that at time of 0 is when the ball is thrown into the air, and then eventually it would go up and hit down on the ground again. So this is our height, and this is our time. I think it helps to kind of visualize this because we got to make sure we remember, is the domain the time or the height? And so our domain is our x values, so we are talking about time. Now, appropriate domain would be time is between 0 and whenever the ball hits the ground again. So right off the bat, we can cross off option number 3 and 4 because that's dealing with height, right? So if we're able to find out this x-intercept over here, we'll be able to find out if it's either 1.5 or 9 and get our final answer. Now to do that, to find our 0, we're going to set the height equal to 0. So it'd be 0 equals negative 16t squared plus 24t. And now we can factor and solve this. Now, I know we can factor out, looks like we can factor out a negative 8 t. And we'd be left with 2t minus 3. And that's because if we were to multiply negative 8t times negative 3, you'd get positive 24t. Okay, so now we can set both of these equal to 0. So if negative 8t equals 0, then clearly t would have to equal 0. And we already knew that. That was our left side, our x-intercept there. Now for the other one, kind of running out of room over there, so let's write it over here. 2t minus 3, we're going to set that equal to 0 and solve. We would get 2t equals 3, which means t equals 3 divided by 2, or 1.5. So that's our other x-intercept. So that means option number 1 is our correct answer. By the way, another option you could have done here is you could have graphed this using your graphing calculator and calculated your zeros visually, and you also would have gotten the same answer. I just wanted to show you how you could do it without the calculator as well. All right, that's all for this video. Thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.